car passengers first, so please make room at the doors for sleeping car passengers. Have your tickets out so that I can view them.
Train number 11, going to southbound Costa Rica to Los Angeles, California, with station stops in between. I can have you at
California all the way down to Los Angeles. I'd like you to take a moment to look at the safety card that's placed in front of you. Additionally,
Yes, I have some up here, but
sandwich, right? For your
But we did the
no, you want to
但是我看完了，
没什么好。在火车上那会儿，
给它夹里，把这打开，然后给它夹在里面，就是它放在里面，你夹放我这个呗，我这好。
东狼狗啊！
我一个有时候不要。
到不特懒那个，你看没办法马上想起来了。
那怎么
大哥，牛奶轻度这种空间里没了吗？
还记得。
Basically kills us.
No, I know what they are.
We did not make it there. We wanted to when we had the circuit. Dump with somebody who just came out and went and dump all his stuff and moved up to the.
Oh, is that right?
What is it, lemon fruit? Would you rather I put steak juice all over?
I've never been at civil heads.
All right, attention.
Never mind.
Stop is Klamath Falls, Oregon, about an hour and 20 minutes away. And Klamath Falls about an hour and 20 minutes away, as previously announced. You see that? Thank you.
coach your business class. So, if you're coach your business class, don't panic. Good job in a few minutes.
Hi, Ellen. My middle name is Ellen, and my name is Rachel.
You want ice cream, sir?
We're in a but the top
Suicide prevention life.
Travel on the train.
Didn't Anthony make?
Talking to me?
Yes.
Wait to be seated at 12:30.
My mom said, like, my mom was at a visit. She said, on the train, there's a man who was, we'll do it. Woo! We're doing it. So come on, Emma, come on. I'm like, it's a long walk. Yeah, it's like,
you can't really get out of the station.
you know, that's the thing.
The only place Mike accounts for you, he might sell him, but it's
announcement once I pre.
大家都还。